Hi, I read a document named Trends Observed in History. What I understand about the topic was that trade liberalization was established by GATT, that means General Agreement on Tariff and Trade, at the end of the Second World War. One of the set principles of international trade was in periods. The first one was about Geneva, where the tariffs were reduced at 21.1%. And the sixth period was in Kennedy, where they have achieved 36%. The globalization there was around the 18th, and the liberalization between 1940 and 1950. The globalization it is a process of how it increased the degree of integration of the world's economy. In the year 2000, they had good economy. Then, in 2008, they started the bad economy. And in 2009, it was worse than the last year, and the problems begin. In the middle of the 2009, the population was of 6.8 billion, and they expect more for next year. And since 1950, the population was moved to develop some countries, and now the 82% of the population lives in those developing countries. Also, the pre-war problems were about one of the exchange rate, and that means that 1 ounce of gold was equal to $35. The important phrase from the dollar was, "Dollar is good as gold." And also, it was how the dollar increased the progress, helping gold to grow as a dollar, because gold was 1.5% and dollar 5.8%. That was called shortfall, that was known as liquidity problem. The European Union plus the United States formed a gold pool to hold the dollar price of gold steady. And the GATT got changed in the European Union into other institutions named EEC, that means European Economic Community, and the EFTA, that means European Free Trade Association, and those were regional trade agreements.